Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the sync with iCloud paused error on iPhone messages. Wow, this one is probably going to pop up for a lot of people right here, so let's break down the fixes. First thing you got to do is connect your iPhone to a stable Wi-Fi network. Don't rely on cheap cellular data because iCloud Sync demands Wi-Fi most of the time. Okay, over here also plug your iPhone into a charger. If your battery is low, iCloud Sync is gonna pause automatically. Now open Settings and tap on your Apple ID profile at the top. Tap iCloud, then tap on the See All button. Make sure the toggles for the apps or data you want to sync are turned on. For example, tap on Messages in iCloud. Then tap Sync Now. Go back to the Messages app, and you'll see the syncing with iCloud starting. Anyways, another bright move is to sign out and sign back in. Go to Settings, tap Apple ID, scroll down and hit Sign Out. Then sign in again with your Apple ID. Oh great, that refreshes your whole iCloud link up. Check also if there's a software update waiting ahead. Open Settings, tap General, tap Software Update, install it if one shows up. Over here, don't forget to check both iCloud storage space and your iPhone storage space. If either one is full, iCloud Sync is going to make out issues. Free up space if you need to. Finally, if nothing else works, force restart your iPhone. Press and release volume up, press and release volume down. Then hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Already that clears up a lot of random sync bugs. So yeah, that's the adequate list of fixes to help you get rid of the sync with iCloud paused error on iPhone messages. I would like you to drop a like if this helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips ahead, and comment if you want to ask for more help.